Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this drone here from Tizzy Toy. First off, I just wanted to see this nice little package it comes in. That's pretty sweet, little hardcover case with a handle here, so that's impressive. And here we are, right in the top. So we have a little helpful card here, tells you what the sounds make, what it's indicating. So that's pretty neat. We have our little, looks like our camera right here. Interesting. It looks like it has, maybe the lights or the cameras on here in this switch. I haven't assembled this yet, but we will be demonstrating this. Here is the control for this, and it has some, this one has some AI kind of avoidance technology built into it, landing and taking off, stuff like that, so that's cool. And then looks like we have, here's our battery. These batteries, does it say how many mega amp hours they are? So it has a 4K camera on here as well. And these are 1600 mega amp hour batteries, so that's pretty cool. Should last a total of 40-minute flight time between the two of them. And I believe there are 2 batteries in here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so here's the little guy right here. That's cool. It's like super lightweight. Here we have the other battery. Press and hold this place when installing and removing batteries. We have the other battery tucked in right here. I think that these just fold out. Get those out of the way there. These should just fold out when you want to. Probably these go out first. And then this one here. And then these ones fold out. So that is pretty sweet looking there. Okay, so looks like this goes on the top, and just little flashing lights it's gonna have, that's gonna plug into the top here. Actually, this looks like a pretty sweet little drone here. I'm pretty excited to check this out and fly it around here. So there's that. And then up here, I believe we have these little attachments. These are going to be some blade guards that we can, should just snap on here, if I'm not mistaken, somehow. Or maybe they're going to land. I'm going to have to figure this out, my friends. But I'll show you how it all works. I like to sometimes just try to put stuff together, get kind of in a rush, a little excited to get it going. So they have those parts there, and then we have extra blades in there as well. We have some USB, 2 USB cords for charging. We're going to get this all charged up, make sure our batteries are all good. I'm wondering if the controller comes with batteries or not, so don't want to break that, but I think this just folds up. Okay, just folds up there, and then we can put our phone right in there to control that. Power button behind there. Okay, it says open and close on the back of the controller. Close is that way, opens this way. All right, there we go. So in the back we have a spot, I believe, we can stash the extra batteries. Let me just check that. Nope, it's a little big. I was thinking maybe we can put the batteries in there, but you could put the extra, looks like this is gonna take 3 AAA batteries, and you could stash some other batteries here, it looks like, if you want to, so that's cool. And it's nice that this doesn't come with, you don't have to screw it in, so you just turn this little handle and then you're good to go. So that's cool. Also, we have these little, get those out of there real quick. the little controller knobs that go on there. So those are going to be able to go right here, and we'll be able to control our drone with that. So I'm pretty stoked. Let's charge this up, and we're going to take this outside, fly it around. I'll show you the camera, how that video looks on there, and it should be pretty fun. This looks like a pretty sophisticated drone here. Not like just a child's toy, but something that's going to be able to, because sometimes you get a drone and it just doesn't really fly very good. This one looks like it's going to be pretty sweet, actually. So stoked to try it out and show you guys. Let's go do it right now. Let's charge it up. Okay, I plug this in the top. This is for sensors, so it won't run into things, and you match up the arrows and you plug in the little plug there. These just go on the bottom right here. This goes in there first. It just slides in the hole. Oops, I'm sorry. Upside down, like get them in there first in that side, and then it just clicks into place there. I think that's in. Try it one more. Oops. You gotta kind of hold it in there and then just click that into place. There we go. Those just click into place. All right, when you want to fly it, turn on the power here and turn on the power on your thing. These just take batteries in the back here, and this takes one of the little battery packs right here. You just slide that out or slide it back in. There we go. Okay, so we'll go over here, take off from here. So you press up and it'll click, press down, it'll let you know. Yeah, and you can press this button, it'll just take off. This is, we can just press that, it'll do a little takeoff light. And it'll just kind of levitate there. And then it comes off. This is forward, this is backwards, side, side. This is elevation up, elevation down, and then rotate the drone. Then we can kind of cruise around. It's really stable, actually. It's pretty easy to fly. Just got to remember if it's coming back at you, the rolls are reversed. Got the little lights on there, so you can see like blue is going to be forward. So wherever the blue lights are, unless it gets disoriented, the blue lights are going to be going away. So the red lights are the tail lights, basically. So that's the back of the plane. So it's going to fly as you would see it there. Let's see how high up we can get it. Whee! Just kind of levitates there. We'll bring it down. Whoa, birds swooping around. They're like, this is our territory. Hey, get away. It's like trying to drive me off like a crow. All right, let's land this. So we can land it with this little button here. You want it to go down, just press that, and it's gonna land your drone for you perfectly. All right, we'll try to set up the app and screen, show you how that works. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take off.
No!
So I have it screen recording here, but I just show so I can show you guys the app here. So I press this button once a couple times, it takes off, and then you can change the responsive. You can start a video with that and rotate this around just with the thing there. It's really cool. The online, I kind of like the responsiveness on this. Everything works nice. You can take a picture snap with that, take a video, a bunch of different options. And this thing hovers like really good. I like the video quality. It's nice. Goes up pretty high. I mean, I can go like way up into the sky here. Maybe we can see the ocean from here. Let's rotate it around a little bit. Let's see. All right. Does anyone see the ocean? I'm going to take this to the ocean, I think. Oh, whoa, okay. Hey, we're coming down. Slowly.
Where's the flashing?
Huh?
Where's the flashing?
Huh? It's always flashing. Yeah, so you can see it.
Laying on that brick.
Uh-oh. Hey, hey, where's it going? All right. It landed there. Hey, my friends. All right, so this drone is really cool. I've had a couple of drones before, cheaper ones, didn't fly very good. This thing's incredible. The app, you can kick it up to 100% on the drone thing. It cruises. You have it at like, I think on default with the remote, it's at like 30%. And so it just, the response time's not that good. And just not, I would recommend that for like kids, you know, flying it. And obviously with adult supervision, because these rotate really quickly and they can hurt someone. But they do have the blade guards on there and everything. Probably not for smaller children, definitely not. You would want teenagers and above probably. But mature teenagers, not ones that are going to fly them at their friends, because this could be dangerous. But as far as that, just the picture quality, the ability, the drivability, it's versatile, it's durable too. I did wreck it a couple times flying it, and you know, once it hits something, these things stop, yeah, and then it just works. It's just really durable. The batteries last a long time. When the batteries do run out, it just kind of lands itself. It flashes its lights to let you know. The camera is pretty sweet. I don't know if that camera moves or not, but it does nice videos. You saw the footage from above my house and things like that. I'm gonna actually take this to the beach and check it out too, but I gotta be careful. It's pretty windy at the beach, so I'm not sure how this will do in super windy conditions. But overall, I am super impressed with this. Oh, one thing real quick. My app wasn't working. I was like, man, why is it not working? It worked for like a second and then stopped working. Don't use a VPN. You got to turn your VPN off or the app won't work. Do not use your VPN. Okay, so that was the whole thing. And then after I disabled my VPN, it was working like flawlessly. So super easy. The app is really good control. A bunch of different features on there. This thing is a really cool drone. Not very expensive, and very reasonably priced for what you get here. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.